Welcome back, everyone. Wanted to show you guys how you can go ahead and change your homepage on your SharePoint site. So let's just say this is our homepage, but we wanted to create a new page from scratch. And then once it was done, we just wanted to switch it over as the new homepage. So all you got to do is come over to the cogwheel, come over to Site Contents, come over to Site Pages. And these are all of the pages right now on our SharePoint site. So if you wanted to change our homepage from home, all we have to do is come over to the ellipsis, and then if you scroll down, there's going to be a Make Homepage option, and then that will change the homepage from home over to this new page. So I definitely would want this page to be my homepage. I like the one that we have now, but if we come over to home now, you can see this is now our homepage, whereas before our homepage was this one. And then if we want to change back, just come back to the ellipsis of the page you want to switch the home page back to. And now if we go back to home, now we have our original home page.